Right now, in this video, I'll be showing you what is Bitcoin mining. So, Bitcoin mining is a decentralized, computer process that serves two purposes. Confirms transactions in a truthful manner when enough computer power is devoted to block, or creates new Bitcoins in each block. It goes like this. Verify if transactions are valid. Bundle transactions in a block. Select the header of the most recent block and insert it into the new block as a hash. Then solve the proof of work problem. When the solution is found, the new block is added to the local blockchain. So you can visit other websites like Blockchain, Coinme, or EOBot. These websites confirms wallets. You can find us in the bitcoinmining.com website. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, visit the WheezCoin website. There are over 150 pages that you can read. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned what is Bitcoin mining.